So hello everyone. From now onwards you can see an interesting journey of a hatchback car getting its new identity on this channel. This is a small hatchback manufactured by Chevrolet, which is an American company and was there in India for business. For some reasons Chevrolet has left India and cars like Chevy Spark got discontinued. Eventually these cars has expensive maintenance, due to which people started selling these cars as a scrap in spite of getting them repaired. So that is also a reason I got this car in just 20,000 rupees. Now let's come back to the project. So basically I bought this car to convert this into a muscle car. Because of their old models, these cars are getting neglected. So my motive is to convert this small hatchback car into a attention seeker muscle car. I don't know what will be the consequences, but for now I am in it. So before the transformation, I decided to get this car mechanically okay. So for today, my plan is to clean all the important sensors of this car because these sensors has the main role in car's performance. There are few sensors like camshaft sensor, boost pressure sensor and oxygen sensor. I will clean these sensors including throttle body. I would like to mention, if you have a mechanical background or you know how to work on these sensitive parts, only then you should clean these parts at home, especially the throttle body. But if you have courage and some good tools, nothing is impossible for you guys. So for today I am using the number 10 spanner to get these sensors out. I would like to tell those who don't know, to unscrew these bolts we need to apply pressure anti-clockwise, and obviously to screw them we need to go clockwise. These are the basic things a person should know. So this is boost pressure sensor and this one is camshaft sensor. Both of them are in bad conditions. These are the sensors which I have got from this car and I am using petrol to clean them. There are many products available in the market to clean these kinds of parts, and with the help of a paintbrush I cleaned them and reinstalled in their places. I was not able to clean the throttle body because I was not having the tools to open it. So simply I decided to clean it from outside only. I just removed the outer part of the throttle body, that is a filter box, and with the help of the same bottle filled with petrol and with some pressure I cleaned the throttle body. But to clean it properly you have to take it out. But I will highly suggest not to open it at home because it is a very sensitive part and get very easily damaged, and if it happens you have to spend a lot of money to get your vehicle back into a good shape. My work was over to get this car mechanically okay, and now I'm starting this car so that I can check everything is working properly or not. Everything was working properly, so now it was time to get this car electrically scanned. Yesterday manually I have checked and cleaned each and every sensors of this car, but now it's turn to get them scanned electrically. With the help of an scanning tool, we will attach this tool in this car and start the engine and see whether all the sensors are providing the accurate information to the ECM or not. Luckily everything was working properly, so follow me on Instagram and subscribe my YouTube channel so that you can see the complete transformation journey of this small hatchback car into a muscle car.